Hello, everybody. I'm back. It's been a while, but I also have a soundboard now, so I can make fart noises. So yeah, and honk noises. Yeah. And I also have some voices. Hello. I think this is our magic chord. I can't hear it. One sec. Hello. This is magic chord. Okay. I have uh I have my classic mic. That's the one I'm gonna be using for today. And maybe using the soundboard, I don't know. But yeah. Alright, let me check if that's good. That's perfect. Alright. Today we're gonna be playing some Half Sword. Mind how I have the demo, the real game's out, but I really don't wanna play it. Ooh, close that. Alright, it's finally Poppy playtime. Alright. Also, today I'm going to be using a controller. Because I absolutely hate trying to play this game. Crap. I absolutely hate trying to play this game with a keyboard. I just can't. Physically can't. Here, fart noise. Alright, today we're just gonna play... Oh, I forgot I was playing as this character. Let's try out this dude. Huh. Okay, why did I switch to that? Ah! Yeah! Alright. We could, continue on. This is gonna be a okay-ishly long video. I have the voices turned down way low. And this is gonna be the easiest fist play match in the world. Oh, never mind. Okay. I'm losing consciousness and I don't want to be doing that. Wait. Okay, this is not supposed to be what it is, so I'm just gonna go back to menu real quick. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Oh gosh. Huge lag spike. That happens sometimes, I don't know why, but it does. One second. Just so you guys can see what's actually going on. You see my performance. Yes, there will be a lag spike. I don't know why there will be, but it happens. Oh, right. And I can just him there. There we go. You can barely see it, but it's there. Alright, there we go. Alright, I never do small hurts. Because it puts me up against knights. And I don't want to play against knights. When that happens, it's like, oh, I'm barely armored, right? And I choose this so that way I can easily destroy enemies with my sword. I love carnage matches, though, because it puts you up against your level of enemy. Because of your character. Oh gosh, I really don't want to have to be fighting this guy, but I have to. Wait, never mind, I don't. Oh. Ah! Yeah! That's what you get for trying to kill a... I tried to say attack and kill at the same time. Oh. I really don't want to do using that type. Rah! That's what you get. Oh gosh. Oh. You poked him in the butt. That's what you get. I win. I destroyed everybody. I'll do another Carnage map, and then I'm gonna do a single combat map. Ow. Ow. Run! I'll let you guys find it out. Whoever wins, I'll have to deal with it. I really bad don't want to deal with anyone with a spear because of my sword. Even though I'm really good at this game. Looks like the one I'm dealing with is the dude on the right now. I'll join in. Coward? You call me a coward? I got donked in the face with that shield, and I really don't like that. You call me a coward? You calling me a coward? Who's the coward now? Huh? Who is it? Oh, okay, it's him. I've never been so invested in a game before. Wait a minute. I can just... Hold on. Wait. See this dude? I'm gonna crouch down and then just... I don't think that's working. Sorry. Sorry, sir. Did not mean to... I actually did, but sorry. I'll try a small bird. See? Look at that! I'm put up against crazy knights. Okay? And I don't have a good weapon to kill these guys. I have a sword. Kind of my fault, but... Okay, if that dude ever does die... I'm just gonna help out, I suppose. Doink, doink, doink. Wait 1 sec. This is the way. You fight him this way. I hit him? I hit him once. You can do it. I somehow stabbed him. Do it! You can do it! I stabbed him again! I'm docking this man. Oh, I docked him. He's been docked. Alright, he's down. I want that weapon of his. Really bad. Oh. Okay. What the heck is going on? I have his weapon! I don't know what the heck just happened. Oh, gosh! Sorry, sir. I docked you in the head twice. Alright, I won. Right? He's getting back up. Move out of the way. I have the weapon that can easily destroy a knight. Look at that. You see that? I docked him on the head. Kick. Kicking him in the face. Stab. No. Oh, he's got a tiny knife. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Oh, gosh. Well, that was all because of me. Huh? You want some? You want some? Hop. Oh. Oh. Want some? Huh? Alright. I already won. Carnage. I know that I'm gonna be back to the sword, and I really hate that, but I sort of have to. Actually, using the sword is really fun and easy. I mean, just look at this. Look. You do one of those, kick him down. Oh, gosh. Okay, get up, me. Get up. I surrender. Actually, do I? I will. I surrender. I can't use my arms. We'll do another Carnage match. Hold on. Someone I can actually fight? Oh, not you. I don't want to fight you. That's why I killed you within 2.5 seconds. And I'm gonna help out this man, who has the exact same weapon as me. Ow, not you. Not you. I'm not gonna help out you. I'm gonna one-hand you. One hand. You've been one-handed. I'm flipping weapon. I'm gonna win. I'm super gonna win. Oh gosh. Hey. Okay, not the foot. I don't want that foot. I want my sword back. Not your leg or your whatever I just grabbed. There we go. Blah. I'm about to super win. Like, this is gonna be super fun. Like, I just won. See? And I have many cuts. I've been stabbed. One sec, there's a camera somewhere. Alright. Roll. Okay, move forward. Can I not move forward? Ow. You. Whoa. Okay. Either way, I was gonna do a thing where, like, I could actually, like, see what happened to me. Whoa. I like that looks cool. Okay, where's the button? Okay, I had accident took a picture. Not mean to do that. I didn't see how much times I got stabbed, but I got stabbed. Oh boy. I'm fighting a dude with a spear, and I'm not walking onto him. Ow. Ow. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Can I just destroy... Can I punt this man with his own leg? Alright, I'll grab my sword. I win. Alright, sword-wielding dude! How'd that feel? Okay, I'm not fighting you, I'm fighting the dude, ouch! I survived. Okay. This is extremely not fair. Actually, but what if it actually is? What if I could just go up to this man and just... You know, how'd that feel, huh? How'd this one? Oh, okay. That's what you get. Alright, this game's getting boring. But I do have another game that I just recently fixed that had horrible lag spikes. Teardown. Now that we can play Teardown, it's gonna be super funny. Also, I went to McFly. I got that achievement. Once it goes into the game, it will show me the FPS. Okay. I have water over here? Cause yeah. Oh boy. Pretty sure that's how you go through these things. Let me get it ready for the next people to go through here. Alright, I suppose that's good. Wait. That's perfect. Alright. There's a band somewhere. There's like a band playing right here. Yeah, I could do a thing called Comet Strike. Right in that band. There we go. And that band is now officially gone. Ooh, never mind, it's still there. Well, it can't survive a chain gun. Oh, I can hold it. Oh, I can't. Wait, did I just break a hole through it? I am heavy weapons guy. I can just shred right through the ground. Never mind, I thought I could, but I can't. What about asteroid strike instead, huh? You know, it's a smaller one. But it comes straight down. See that? It's way smaller than a comet, but holy crap, oh my gosh. Let me just... Let's see how much... Oh gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, okay. The smoke trail. That's crazy. And it's no more. Hey, I heard that you need to get rid of the fire, so let me just... Alright, this will definitely get rid of it. That fire there, this will get rid of it. Well, I think it might have got rid of it. It did. Now, when I last played this, I did a thing called, this. Oh god. That looks something straight out of the movie. Where like when it like hits, all the glass breaks and smoke flies through everything. And is this the one I broke? No. I'll just push my way through here. Did I? Wait, I broke this one, right? Move! This is so slow and pathetic. So slow and pathetic that, in fact, I'm gonna hit it with an asteroid. It worked! Oh! Wait, what if I, like, spawned an asteroid all the way up there? What's it gonna do? Okay, absolutely nothing. Well, then I'll spawn one right there, and I'll just stand close, and I'll do a movie act. And I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna do that. But this does look awesome. Epic. Alright. Here it comes. Ow. Ow. I landed on the floor and exploded, so I got an idea, okay? What if I go here to comet strike and then I just strike myself in the face? I did not know I could actually do that. But I can. Also, I have an extremely clogged nose. Ah! I don't know why I made that noise. Alright, this time it's actually gonna hit me. And in fact, to make this more cool, I'll be right here. I'll pretend I'm sorting through boxes. It's cool. And oh my god! Bleh. My question is, how did I survive that? I mean, I had better chances than the building. Like a third of the building. I had way better chances. In fact, where's that Lamborghini? Okay, I'm gonna try not to hit that. I'm gonna try to not hit that. I'm gonna hit right there. That was beautiful singing. Ow. Sure hope an asteroid is not about to come down here. Like, I really do sure hope. An asteroid just came down and hit us. Okay. So yeah, I'm just playing around with the Comet Strike stuff and then the Asteroid Strike. Let me try an Asteroid Strike over there. Let's see. Come down. Well, it does more damage. And the Lambo's perfectly fine. Where's the lights with the Lambo? There we go. Alright, I'm just gonna... Oh man, I think I got a scratch on the Lambo. Okay. And I got another... Oh. Oh boy. You know what this calls for? Here comes the asteroid. How did that thing survive? Again. Do it again. 1 sec. Do it again. No, my Lambo. I'm gonna go up here. Alright. So Lambo destroyed her. Whoa, it's very destroyed. Oh my. That's very realistic. Totally. Gabe, you nailed it. You nailed the realism there. You nailed it. You absolutely fruitly nailed it. Well, this staircase is not going to be usable at the end of it. But currently it is. So I'm just going to, hit that again. Grab some asteroids. Alright, let's see what happens here. How many asteroids? 1. A lot more than 1, and I don't know why I'm getting no FPS reading. Like, yes. Are you good? Wait, let me turn it on and then back off. Alright, turn it off. Here. Unpin and turn off. And then I go up here. And then turn it off. Or, no, not that. Oh, crap. Go here and pin. It worked! Fart noise. I could also... Wait, I don't know which one's this. Well, hold on a second. Which one's this? Oh, it's my normal mic! I remembered which one my normal mic is!
Alright, now I'm a banana and I'm gonna stay a banana until I decide not to be a banana. And if I decide not to be a banana, it's gonna be, like, really soon, because the banana's extremely annoying. Alright. You will fix that. That will super fix that. Alright.
No more banana. Well, it made it worse. I thought it would fix it. That looks so realistic. This game is like if voxels and real life was a thing. would be really funny if I just like go straight through the floor with this. You know? Okay, let me fly up. And now let me look down. And then... And, I think I just went right through the floor. Oh, hi. Whoa, oh, boy. I am through the floor. Doom got away! Okay, hit a few asteroids here, okay? Oh, oh boy. So, my FPS just went down from here to on the floor. I'll let it go back up. 1 second. Okay, it's definitely not gonna be going back up anytime soon. So the way to make it go back up, I assume, is to go all the way here, grab your truck that you destroyed that somehow is in perfect condition. Never mind, it's not, but, you know, grab that and then just run it through this place. Guess it wasn't four-wheel drive, am I right? Ha. Okay. Is this usable? No. Am I on fire? Definitely. Is it still in bad condition? Yes. Ow. No. Okay, see that fire up there? Well, you're about to not see it. Okay, and then up here, and here, and I'm just gonna launch. I'm gonna pump rockets into this place. Actually, 1 second. Fire's on top, right? I don't know what that's for. But, I'll just put some... Oh. Ow. Imagine you're in a mall, like, on the ceiling of a mall that's been on fire and hit with many asteroids, okay? And you're just walking around, getting ready to blow the place up with nitroglycerin. And then all of a sudden... You know, that's not very fun. This looks like a movie set. Oonk. 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 Alright, let's put some nitroglycerin on it. That's gonna help. And then, rocket boosters, because I can. That looks like... That right there was awesome. Put out the fire! I think I'm putting out the fire. Oh boy. I think that this thing's not gonna be able to take out all the fire in the place. Move that thing out of the way and go to town. Okay, it's mostly in... Oh. Mostly up there. So I'm just gonna bring this here, that there, everywhere here. Ow. I got hit in the head. And I'm somehow still alive, so I can go over here. Do that. launch this all the way over there to take out that fire. Alright. Okay. The last thing we need to do is put out this huge fire. But there are no fire trucks in this empty city with no one in it but me, so I'm just gonna, spray this thing, and that fire's somehow not going out. Go out, please. That's me pressing the soundboard buttons. I think, wait 1 sec. I completely forget my soundboard every single day. So, banana. And this thing. That is... Wait a minute. Alright, I'm now extremely cool because I have a soundboard. So yeah, I've been using the cool voice changer voice because I like it. And I'm gonna burn this place from the inside out. And vehicle. I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Flipping fire! I'm super gonna die, oh my god. Sheesh, the heat in that vehicle's getting a little bit much, Okay, I have a job, and that is to run this thing into a place. So I gotta take a huge turn and do a thing called go over here and light the place on fire. So I'll do one of those. That will super light it on fire. One of those. That's gonna light it. Yep. How much fire have I caused by doing this? Okay, before the fire gets inside, which it definitely is inside. In fact, it's inside so well that I can no longer use the car. So I'm just gonna... One of those. Actually, new plan found. Fire? Okay. I don't think I can get, I don't think I can use the fire inside this thing. But what I can do is add vehicle thrusters to it and then fly around. So I'm just gonna see if I can. Wait a minute, wait. Perfect circle. Alright. Time to add some vehicle thrusters to this thing, and I'm gonna stop using that. There we go. We're good. Definitely, I need to make this extra explosive. I need to find a way to put out that fire, so I'm just gonna fly over there and put out the fire over there. Oh my god, imagine going up there. I'm gonna have to go up there pretty soon after I put the fire out here. There's extremely small amounts of fire here. But, I'm gonna need it. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. That just put out the fire? I'll just go up there with a leaf blower. That's a horrible idea, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah, leaf blow the fire away. Yeah, no, it's not working. Alright. We have other things to deal with because I saw that there's a burning area in that one area, but it's like on top of the thing. I'm not becoming a firefighter in this game, so I'm just gonna destroy the place after a bit. Alright, where's that fire? Fire is on the first floor, right? Here? So much winding staircases that I don't know will go. Okay. I'm gonna fly around and see if I missed anything. I don't think I did. Alright, I'm gonna go now, strap some nitroglycerin to this. And then light it on fire. Hold on, how intact is this? This is perfect! Oh! You know, maybe it isn't so perfect, but it's definitely perfect for, long-term saving. One sec, I've got an idea. What I mean by long-term saving is I don't even know what that means. But I can put some nitroglycerin here. Right around here, everywhere. And then light the back on fire. Like, light here on fire, but add boosters so I can boost into a place. So first I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna go place I need to go. And just go there. Oh gosh. That was a horrible idea, so I'm just gonna crawl through here and find the vehicle. I need to find a good place that I can... Wait a minute. This building wasn't even damaged. And now it's about to be. Okay. We've got to find where I put that, thingy-ma-thing. So I can easily just, you know, just do stuff. Might actually be back here. I think it's back here. One sec. It's definitely gonna be back here. Because, like, I went around, right? I went around, and then, this is a very obvious explosion here, which is definitely where it happened, and I'll just go grab this one. Alright, it's in okay position. Hold on a second. Okay, this one can do the exact same thing that the other thing can do. I just need to be extremely careful. Okay, let me see how much, vehicle boosters it takes. I'll just put a button. No. Yeah. This looks good. Alright. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Brake. This is so much faster. I gotta be careful though. Jeez, this is the best parking lot. Alright, the place I need to go is, somewhere around here. Right over there, at the part that didn't really get damaged that much. That's the part I'm gonna be taking this truck to, and then ramming it there with nitroglycerin, fire, and literally everything that can blow something up. So, I don't really want to be inside the thing as it happens, so I'm gonna figure something out. That looks like enough. So I'm gonna put some rocket boosters in here. And I ignite it through the side here. Oh boy. That's a little bit too much stuff going on. It isn't really moving anything. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna find something out, okay? I want to be able to make it so that way I can just shoot it out into the building without really needing to do that much. So, you know what? I've got an idea. I'll put the nitroglycerin close to the back and the fire close to the front, since I have a lot of health, but nitroglycerin does not. And I can survive a good amount of fire in this game. So if I can just put a crap ton of nitroglycerin, sure, on top right there, yeah, sure. Right here. This is gonna be the best ever. Okay, nitroglycerin's in the back. Rocket boosters are there too. Just in case, I'm gonna put a rocket booster there and a rocket booster there and ignite it and then get ready to drive. This is just for cool looking. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay. Ready? We're about to put some fire here. Okay. Here. Is this fiery? Oh, yep. Yes, it is. Get ready. Alright. Are you ready? Okay. I'm gonna wait till it gets good about here. Okay, I think I need more. Oh boy. Yep. Alright. This is gonna travel through the thing. Hopefully continue on the bottom part of it. Downward until it goes to the nitroglycerin. And then once it's about to go to the nitroglycerin, oh boy, it's getting really close. I'm going to shove it into the building. In fact, I'm going to actually just be safe. I'm gonna... Oh. Okay. Getting pretty close. It needs to get closer, though. It needs to get to the point where it will happen in about 5 seconds. But it's definitely not going to happen in about 5 seconds, so I'm just gonna... Will that higher? Okay, it's 5. Yep, it's definitely ready. 3, 2, 1. Right there! Whoa! Look at that! Nitroglycerin was in the back. This is burning places. See, look at that. We're good. All the fire from the nitroglycerin did huge damage here. And not that much fire damage, but fire damage is actually doing good. And I really bad don't want fire to get to the front, because I want to be able to use this thing again. But we did get a little bit of fire. Here. And here, correction? A lot of fire. I think this is going to turn out to be really big. Oh, man. Alright. Oh, boy. I set a huge hole through that. So I'm just gonna... I can't board it up? Wait. I can board boards to boards. Right? I can. That's possible. It's physically possible, right? I can put a board there. Grab this. Put a board here. And put a board here. As support for the board that's here. Put it there. Wow, this is actually going to work. Then I grab this and not be able to take it there, so I'm just going to put this thing here, and then do that, and then do that. Alright. That's an okay defense. And then I can just boop. Up. 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 Boop. Up. Alright, there we go. Okay, actually, I think I could get through this one. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can that one. No, I can't. I can climb it. But, yeah. Now, there is a cool thing I have. I think it's a Star Wars ATST. This one. And it's... I can't just, like, throw stuff here. So what's this? Uh-oh. Put a cable here, and I'll put it down there. Actually, I'm gonna... Wait a minute. So this thing can be pushed over with rocket boosters. What is this? I don't know what that is, but I can throw in some nitroglycerin right here in the back, right next to the engines, so that way it will definitely explode. And then rocket booster, rocket booster, rocket booster, rocket booster, rocket booster. Lots of rockets. Huge amounts of rockets. This is gonna crash my game. But it's for science. Did not even get close to working. So you know what? I'm just gonna grab the chain gun and just... Uh-oh, wrong way. Oh. Okay. If I can just grab the physics gun and scoot it forward that way. There we go. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm just playing around. But there was another one I had that is really cool. It was down here. People Playground. Melee. Living. You good? This dude sure does not look living. He looks floppy. 1 second. I have a thing that can definitely help this. Freeze that. Okay. Actually, grab him. Wait. Okay. Physics gun. And then find a way to launch him? right? There we go. I don't really know what I'm doing. Home just to make sure. Pretty sure I'm fine. But there was another one. And I know it. I remember it. AI pack. Starfighters, troopers, walkers, ATST. Try and get me through here. Oh gosh. That's it. You want bomb? I'll give you bomb. Fly over there and some over there. You may be able to destroy me, but I'm going to be able to destroy you. Look at that. Well, like that, I destroyed... I don't think I destroyed anything. Actually, I'm pretty sure I destroyed absolutely nothing. But I think I can... Can I get in there? Oh, I really bad want to get in there. That'd be so cool. I want to see if there's like... Nope. Okay. Oh, I was inside of there for a second. Alright, I'm just gonna, grab an asteroid to come down here and just hit it right in the head. There we go. There. It's now destroyed. But I never knew I actually, could, grab that Darth Vader. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I'm about to die. Hey. Uh-oh. Ah, you missed. Run! If you miss this next time, I'm gonna be disappointed in you. Alright, you know what? Ow. I don't care. I'm gonna destroy you with this. I can't. Okay, I can't. I physically can't. So you know what? Ow. Chain gun. Leg? Oh, don't get over there. Hi. Are you working? You work? You do. I want to see. I want to see this thing shoot. Okay. Good check. What's going on in there? Oh! How do you feel about that one? You still work? Okay. You shoot me, well guess what? I'm gonna shoot you. Alright. So I guess that's the end of this episode. I just wanted to check out some stuff. I didn't really, I just wanted to play out some games, since I haven't really done a video in a while, and, my last video, I literally lost 2 subscribers And to be honest, I worked the hardest on that one, which is surprising, but I did. And in fact, I feel sad that it didn't really get that much views, but then again, it's like, you know, that happens. And I don't want to open that. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to turn this thing off. There. Up, 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 up. Big bog. So yeah, that's the end of today's video, and I'll maybe be able to do videos tomorrow. I don't know. So I'll see you later.